Welcome to hardatengineer.com. I am Varun Patel. Visit my website hardatengineer.com to learn more about piping. Ferrous metal is most widely used industrial metal in human history. In process piping also, ferrous metal is the largest used material. Let's learn about ferrous metal. A metal which contains more iron than any other single element is known as ferrous metal. Ferrous metal can further be divided as a cast iron or cast steel, carbon steel, stainless steel and alloy steel. Now there is a difference between cast iron and cast steel. Let's learn about cast iron and then cast steel. Cast iron is contain more than 2% of carbon by its weight. Being a very hard and brittle material, it cannot be used in process piping. However, a ductile iron pipe, which is a type of cast iron, is widely used in water distribution network. This ductile iron pipe is having a very good corrosion resistance property. Other example of the use of the cast iron is manhole covers of drainage system. Some other type of cast irons are grey cast iron, malleable cast iron, white cast iron. These different type of cast iron are used in different industrial application. Now cast steel. Cast steel is having less than 2% of carbon by weight. Cast steels are used in various applications in process industry. It is used in manufacturing of wall bodies and casting fittings. Some of the example of cast steel are ASTM A216 grade WCB. WCB means weldable cast grade B. Carbon steel is extensively used piping material in process industry. Iron is the main element in carbon steel. It also has other element in very non-significant amount. Based on the percentage of carbon steel can further be classified as a low carbon steel which contain less than 0.25 to 0.05% of carbon, medium carbon steel that contain 0.25 to 0.5% carbon, high carbon steel that contain 0.5 to less than 2% of the carbon, because about 2% it will become a cast iron and not cast steel or not carbon steel. Carbon steel also have other alloying elements mainly considered as an impurity. These elements can be metallic and non-metallic in nature. Metallic elements present in carbon steel are manganese, nickel, chrome, moly, vanadium, etc. Non-metallic elements that contain in carbon steel are carbon, phosphorus, sulfur, etc. These alloying elements are having a different effect on metal property. Some of these elements, when added in a calculated amount, will greatly improve the carbon steel property. We will learn about this alloying element when we learn about alloy steel. Some of the commonly used carbon steel grade in process piping are ASTM A53, grade AB, A106, grade ABC for piping material. For rock product, it is ASTM A234, A420. For forged product, it is ASTM A105, A350. Once you start learning about different material used in process piping, it is very easier for you to remember all this material grade. So what we learn in this lecture? In this lecture we learn about what is cast iron and cast steel, carbon steel and its elements. We also classified carbon steel based on its percentage of carbon. This is the end of our lecture. See you in the next lecture.